Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking to upgrade your home's heating and cooling system, installing a Honeywell thermostat in 2025 is a smart move. It's easier than you might think and can save you money on energy bills. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it yourself with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need a Honeywell thermostat model from 2025, a screwdriver set, wire labels, and a voltage tester for safety. Before you touch anything, turn off the power at your circuit breaker to avoid any electrical mishaps. Safety is key here. Double check that the wires aren't live. Next, remove the old thermostat. Carefully unscrew the mounting plate from the wall and gently pull it away. Take a photo of the wiring for reference, then label each wire with the included stickers to make reconnection a breeze. Now, it's time for the new one. Match the wires to the terminals on your Honeywell thermostat. Typically, it's red for power, white for heat, green for fan, and blue or yellow for cooling. Secure them tightly, but don't force anything. Once wired, mount the thermostat base to the wall using the screws provided. Snap the thermostat faceplate into place, and turn the power back on at the breaker. Fire it up and test the settings. Adjust the temperature and ensure the heat or AC responds correctly. If everything works, you're all set. A quick tip: if you run into issues, consult the user manual or check online for troubleshooting. Installing a Honeywell thermostat not only modernizes your home but also gives you better control over your energy use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.